Hi everyone, this is Stephanie and welcome back to another tutorial with me on HTML and CSS. In today's tutorial, we will be going over attributes in HTML. Attributes in HTML provides information about an element, and it is always specified in the start tag. So let's begin. I have a couple of examples for you. So the first one is a paragraph, which we should know about. And inside the opening tag, I have something called the title attribute. And the title attribute basically gives you extra information about an element. And it is displayed as a little tooltip. So whenever we hover around this paragraph, I am Stephanie, we will get a little tooltip saying this right here, the paragraph. Now the next one is the image tag. I know we haven't learned about this yet, but on the next tutorial, we will learn more about the image tag. So for the image opening tag, we have something called the src, which is the source. And the source specifies the URL for an image. And then we have the width attribute, and the width attribute specifies the width for the image, which is optional, and also the height, which specifies the height for an image. And then we have another image, and inside the opening tag, we have something called out, A-L-T. And the out basically specifies an alternative text for an image. So let's say the image is not being displayed. Then we will get this text instead. An image is supposed to be there. So as of now, this image will not be displayed because it does not exist. Now for the link tag, we have something called the href. And the href basically tells us where the link is going to direct us. Now the last two, we have two header tags. And as you can see inside the opening tag, the first one has something called class, and the second one has something called ID. And both of these are used to point to a style sheet. So let's say we wanted to only change the color of this text, the first one. So we will call this class, this element, and in order to call a class, you use the dot and the name of the element, which is first H1. And I wanted to change the color of this, so color pink. Now, let's say I wanted to also change the color of this one, and that's an ID. So in order to call the ID element, you will use the number sign and the name of that element. And I'm just going to give it the color orange. And there we go. Now let's go ahead and save this. And let's go ahead and run this to see our examples. So go ahead and launch in Chrome. And what is happening? Okay, so here we go. Hopefully you can see this. And hopefully you can see that. So now, let's show you the different examples. So like I said, if you hover around this little paragraph, I am Stephanie, a little tooltip will pop up. So watch this. And there you go, the paragraph. And here is the image. We did specify the width and the height, which is 250 by 250. And then we have another image that is supposed to be there, but it's not displaying. So the alternative text is being displayed. And then we have our link, and then our two header tags, which are different colors. So that is how the attributes work in HTML. So I hope you see how we did that. And thank you guys for watching. So on the next tutorial, we will be talking about images. So stay tuned and I will see you guys later. Bye.